Hey guys, welcome back to Daybird Aviaries. If you watched the little baby bird Friday video from last week, you know that I had the yuckies, I had cooties. Still don't feel a whole lot better today, but I'm gonna mix up some of the Hagen's hand feeding formula. I have links to all of this down in the description. We've had a rough week, not only with ourselves, but we lost one of the little baby birds. And so I only have one baby that I'm feeding right now. And let's put him down here. Catherine's helping. Can you fill that up, please? Or do you want to hold the phone? Or do you want to just feed him? I'm going to let Catherine feed him.
Why?
Come on, you can do it.
Oh, don't fall, please.
What a sweet little baby cockatoo.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm trying to do this and I'm not very good.
There you go. Look at that.
Oh.
And you can see there under her thumb that cross is going to fill up with food.
Oh no,
Here, use the towel.
Okay, here we go.
There.
Oh.
Now she needs just a little bit more.
Okay. Oh,
I'm a terrible camera person.
And I'm terrible at feeding the baby.
Oh, there's my thumb in the way. You got more on you than you have in the baby.
Hey!
You're an awesome helper, Catherine.
Good?
Yeah. Here, let's see.
Facing the opposite way.
Oh, there you go. There we go, baby. Oh, what a sweet little baby cockatiel I have. Oh, I just love you so much. I love you. Aren't you just the prettiest thing ever? Oh, you're just so pretty. You are so beautiful. I love you.
Yeah.
I think I have a fever.
Yeah. You definitely do.
Oh, what a sweet little baby.
Oh,
Okay.
that's just one puff of hair on the back of his head.
That's his crest.
That's so cute.
Okay, Catherine's gonna go outside and check nest boxes for us. Let's see what she finds.
Hey guys, we're going to be looking at our cockatiel nest boxes to see if they have eggs or not. Let's see, this is the very first one. Oh, it's glistened. There were 2 eggs. That's very good. Okay, now the next one. 3 eggs! Wow. I hope that we have, I hope every single one has at least like 3 eggs. Okay. Hi guys. You can't really see him in there, but look at him. Oh, focus. Okay. Here. Hello? Oh, nothing in there. Oh. If every single one of them had at least 2 eggs, that would have been amazing. 1. Only 1. I think the yellow ones are the prettiest. Hello. Oh, no eggs. Oh. I doubt these have any. I really doubt they do. No. There's spider webs in those, so yeah. Yeah. I'm not even gonna check that one. Okay, let's check this one. No eggs. We need to put shavings in that one. Look at them. The male is just trying to block the female. He's like, give me all the attention. That's hilarious. Our chickens are acting crazy. At least they have some eggs. That's